So today we're going to be making a ghost lollipop for your friends on Halloween. Even though it's not Halloween, it's just a little hack for you guys could know if you want to give your friends a best Halloween day. So first, you're going to need a white paper or a paper cloth. You don't have to do what you gotta do. And you could also do a little bow if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And so, tie it very tightly because you don't want the paleta to come out, right? Why would you want that? Would you want that? I didn't think so either. So let's keep tying up until it's fully tight. And if you're a very tight tire, maybe it's just my fault, or maybe it's just that you guys could tie better than me. Since I'm just 7 years old, it doesn't mean I cannot use any scissors or anything. But I cannot use knives yet. Still. So what? Who cares? Because, literally. Hey, viewers! Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button. Right? Don't forget. And have a great Halloween next year. Bye! Wait, it's not even the end. Awkward. If you think that's awkward like I think so, it's okay. It's okay if you think it's awkward. Literally. And then just get a marker, and if it looks like this, it's okay. And just get a black marker, or you could get the darkest color of a marker to make some little eyes. Make some eyes, and then you're gonna make a little circle if you want for the little ghost mouth. Oh, and you could draw a bow tie if you want. Even though it's a girl, you could still draw one. So that's it for now. That's it. Bye. Woo! Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that like button. Oh, and don't forget to not